The graph models the baseball schedule for a week. The vertices represent the teams. Each game played is represented as an edge between two teams. How many games are scheduled for Philadelphia during the week? List the teams that they are playing. How many times are they playing each of these teams? So as I look at Philadelphia, up here at the top, I see that the degree 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Be careful when you count that you count far enough away from that dot that some of the lines look like they merge before you get to the dot. The number of games for Philadelphia is 6. List the teams that Philadelphia is playing. Select all that apply. Well, it looks like they're playing Seattle. In fact, I'm going to kind of fill these in together. Philadelphia is playing Seattle one time because there is one edge from Philadelphia to Seattle. Charleston? No. New Orleans? One time. Charleston? 0. New Orleans? 1. Looks like Minnesota, yes, and that's twice. Washington, D.C., yes, mark that one. Washington, D.C. is twice. And then I do not want to select the no teams. Let's go for number 5. Number 5 shows a map of some states in the United States. Vertices represent the states, edges represent borders. Draw a graph that models the bordering relationship among the states. So if they share a common border, we'll put a line there. I'll put a dot in Washington State, a dot in Oregon, a dot in Idaho, a dot in Montana, and a dot in Wyoming. And Montana and Wyoming share a border. I'll put a line. Idaho shares a border with all the 4 other states. And then there is a border between Washington and Oregon. My choices kind of look nothing like what I just drew, but as I look at these choices, it doesn't matter if the vertices are in the same spots. As I look at this, I see Washington and Montana are connected on this second graph. They do not share a common border. By process of elimination, I'll pick the first one. You can double check that. Washington to Oregon, I got that one. Idaho to Washington, Idaho to Oregon, Idaho to Montana, Idaho to Wyoming. Montana to Wyoming is the first one.